Boston Levin is a new brand and it has nice range of products available like smartwatches, wireless earbuds, neckbands, etc. In this video we are looking at the Boston Levin Eon Smartwatch. We'll be also making other videos of their earbuds. Check them out on the channel. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Let's get started. Here's the box. It has branding and preview of the watch. It says 1.83-inch HD display in big font, and under it there are some highlights. On the back there is some preview again. It says space aluminum case and has some more information. Now let's unbox. Now this watch is available at $13.99 on Amazon and Flipkart, and it comes in black, blue and silver colors. We have it in silver color. Now here's the 22mm silicone watch strap, qualified certificate tag, magnetic charging dock, warranty card, user manual and the watch itself. Let me remove the watch cover. Here's how the watch looks like. This is the front and this is the back. Now let's have physical overview. On the front there is display. On the back there are sensors, branding and some information along with charging pins. On the left there is speaker. On the right there is rotating crown, mic and power button. You can also press the rotating crown, but this is a dedicated power button. On the top and bottom there are grooves for watch strap. Now let's put the strap on the watch. It is pretty easy. Just slide it in the watch grooves. Now press and hold the power button to turn on the watch. Now this watch comes with some intelligent voice assistant, IP68 waterproof design. It has customized watch faces and it is pretty light. It has 1.83-inch big display and it also supports Bluetooth calling, which is pretty handy. Now this watch weighs 39 grams. Now this is the watch interface. On the home screen you can swipe from the left to access shortcut menu or the sidebar. Swipe from the right to change watch faces. You can also rotate the crown to change the watch faces, which is pretty cool. Swipe from the bottom for menu. Swipe from the top for toggles, that is Bluetooth, torch, brightness, activity or sports, grid style, music. Now to pair it, you have to download the app Boston Track. On the login page, you can see the direct login. Click that and it generates login ID and password. Take a screenshot of that so you won't forget it. And then you can click login. Now this is the app interface. You can see the different options: health, data, workouts and profile. In health there is step tracking, heart rate, sleep, workouts, blood pressure. In data you can see history, past workouts, steps, sleep, etc. In the workouts page you can see walking, running and few other options. Just click on what you are doing and tap on go and it starts tracking that workout. In the profile section you can see watch faces, you can download many, race to wake feature, find device, and there are settings. You have remote self timer, language settings, etc. Now coming to the review, this watch looks pretty similar to Apple Watch Series 5 or Series 6, and this comes with IP68 water and dust resistance. Now it comes with IPS panel, so there is no always on display, but you are obviously getting the raise to wake feature. As for call quality, it is pretty decent. We can make and receive calls without much problem. Voice is not totally clear if you're outside, but there shouldn't be any problem if you're calling from inside. Overall, it is usable. That's been the Boston Levin Eon Smartwatch. What do you think about this? It does look cool, it is pretty light, and it also offers Bluetooth calling. Will you buy this? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.